And 3, 2, 1, action. Ha! What a lovely night sky. Everything is lovely. Huh, and I thought it was gonna rain, but I guess it didn't. I thought it was getting dark. It looks really good outside. I'm gonna go out here for a little bit. The door is locked. Ah, that's lovely. Oh, look! It's a car! Ah, car! Oh, it's really dark. And there's no lights on. I'm gonna go back inside. It is pretty nice outside and dark. I thought it was gonna rain, but I guess it didn't. Oh, I'm good. Wait, what's that noise? Look at Larry, this is watching the video. I'm just gonna go see what he's watching. Hey, Larry! Yeah, Toadette? What are you watching? Find Rubik's. By who? Lou the country guy. She's awesome. And I just almost done finished this video. Well, come see with me for a little bit. Okay. Yes. Now,
gotta wait.
I see back Yoshi made it the first night. Yep. Oh, impressive.
Larry and Bowser Jr. man.
Anyways,
Ludwig, do not move.
Yeah, okay, I don't know what else to do. Oh, wait, you wanna go do something? Well, I don't know today. It is quite dark outside. I know. Oh, did you hear the news? Did you hear the news? About what? Your brothers. Yeah? 2 of them came in the mail a couple of days ago. Really? Yeah. Oh, cool. I'm gonna put this on pause. So, should we go more, Bowser? Sure, come on, Toadette. Okay. Still bored here, and it's peaceful. I hate peaceful. I'm a villain. Where's the good stuff I need? And most of all, where the hell is Mario? And most of all, where's Mario? I want to fight him. Grr. Excuse me, Bowser? Yes, Penguin. About Mario? Yeah. Don't you realize he had come in the mail yet? Aw, dang. I really want somebody to get him. Yeah. Like you didn't have the money to get him. Man, isn't it bored around here without Mario? I want to see some action. King Dad! King Dad! What is it, Larry? I'm bored, King Dad. Yeah, I know. I sure wish my other siblings was here. Well, the sibling right there. But Bowser, I'm his stepsister and I'm a toad. Well, still. So what do you want, Larry? Well, I think Mom got something in the mail 2 days ago. Do you think is my 2 brothers came in the mail? Well, I'm pretty sure it is. So yeah. I'm wondering, what is good adoption center? I heard they had an update on there. Really? You sure, Dad? Can Dad? Yeah. Yeah, okay. Oh, Yellow Bunny. Yes, Lord Bowser. Go with them to go get their siblings. I want, but who are they? Well, Dad, we're not gonna tell you yet because it's a surprise. Wait, is that a camera? Yeah, it's filming. But you know that, so, yeah. Well, I'm gonna, go get the money, and you go get them. I'll get it! Okay. I think you should check your check, okay? Alright, be right back. Here it is. Come on, you stupid money. Up in you. There you go, Bowser. Okay. Hey, Larry. Yeah. Yeah, Dad? Can Dad? Check in that brown bag. Get the money. Get the one with the brown bag with the money in it. Okay. Maybe I should add a couple more pennies in there. Go ahead and edit. Okay. That should be enough money for your siblings. You really think so, Dad? Yeah. Well, thanks, Dad. Tell him I go to the doctor center. Okay? Okay, let's get that money, Larry. Let's go. Mom is light tour with Luigi and Yoshi with an elephant. Oh, so boring around here. Where is Mario when you need him? It's so boring. Mario, where are you, Mario? I think it's so long to get here. Oh, Mario, I miss you. I wish you was here, Mario. Where is he? What's the matter? Well, you see, Yoshi, I met my brother Mario. I wish he was here right now. We may go on adventures and stuff. But I really thought that I'm the second player and he's breaking the fourth wall. Yeah, I just want to go on an adventure with Mario, but he's not here. Well, I got told you before, Luigi. Look, I'm gonna have to order Mario for you. I know. Which is gonna be a while because you gotta get stuff for her when she goes back to school to and something else. Oh, I didn't know that. Yeah. Excuse me, sir. What seems to be the matter, if you mind me asking? Oh, Elephant, I really want my brother Mario. It's so lonely out here without him. I'm terribly sorry, sir, but like how she said, that Mario isn't here. Yeah, I know. So, yeah, sir. Oh, excuse me, Luigi, one more time. Yes? Would you like to meet my new friends? Okay, who are they? Look right next to you. These, right here, are penguins. They're my friends that came in from town. And they're gonna be staying with us for a while. And they're gonna be and they're gonna be in some new videos. Yeah, they're gonna be in some new videos, and he's breaking the fourth wall. Will you mind introducing, them to me? Sure thing. This little fluffy one right here is Pinga. She was named after a penguin from Pingu. Oh, very interesting. And this one right here is Peace Penguin. My friend, a Peace Penguin, and, I really have nothing to say about her. But she's new here, so yeah, we need to introduce her around or something like that. Cool. And the last penguin is Pizza Penguin. I call him Pizza Penguin because that's what his name is, and he makes pizza. Oh, I gotta get food for Mario and I, if Mario is here. Yes, sir. Would you guys like to introduce yourselves, please? Okay. Hi, my name is Pinga. I was named after a character from Pingu named Pinga Penguin. Pingu's little sister, and she's breaking a fourth wall. And I'm a fluffy baby penguin, and I can squeak. Aw, you're cute and fluffy. Yeah, my feather used to be softer than this, but remember, well, I've been stuck in something really deep. I really don't want to talk about it. Oh, cool. Next. Hello there. My name is Peace Penguin. I love beautiful colors, and my pink scarf is so beautiful and pretty. And yeah, I'm new, and I like to be your best friend someday. You're already my freaking elephant friend. Oh, I completely forgot about that. Yeah, but I like your voice. thank you. And so, here's the last one, Pizza Penguin. Come here, you. Yo, what's up? My name is Pizza Penguin, and I like to make pizza. Pizza is what you do in Club Penguin. We make pizzas and stuff and bring in a fork. Yeah, we like making pizza and yeah, I had a show chat, but I don't know where that's at. It's a pleasure to meet you, Pizza Penguin. It's a pleasure to meet you too, sis. What is your name, you mind me asking? My name is Luigi. I am Mario's younger brother. You know, Luigi, for a younger brother, you sure are tall. Yeah, I know. Mario is my big brother if you didn't know that. Ah, I see. I wonder what's over here. Holy butt! Oh, shoot! It's the Koopalings. Maybe Louis and he. Oh no, especially that guy with the blue hair. He is evil. What's he doing here? Excuse me, sir. What seems to be the matter? Look. Holy fuck! That can't be, no. Oh my goodness, that can't be. Don't tell me this is the Koopalings. Yep, if I go near them, I'm gonna get something that I got before. And I don't want that the same thing that happened to me. I'm scared. I don't want to get the same reaction like last time. I know what you're talking about, sir. You got to... No, don't say it on camera. Oh, I'm terribly sorry, sir. That's okay, just please don't say it. I don't want the same reaction happen to me. If I even touch one of them, he's gonna do it to me again. I don't want that to happen again. Oh dear. Moments later with Toadette, Larry, and Yellow Bunny. Come on, guys. We're not on the waste. Let's go get those other Koopalings. Let's go. Oh, no. Oh, whoa, stay, money, stay. Okay. I'm gonna go inside, guys. You stay here, Larry. You stay here, Bunny. Okay. A Dodgy Center? Welcome back, Toadette. Nice to meet you, Tiger. Thank you. I'm asking, who is that? I'd like you to meet my new friend, Lion. Oh, cool. But anyways, do you have any more Koopa kids that's here? And matter of fact, we do. Lion, please go show her. Okay. Okay. So here they are. Here's the other Koopa kids. Wow! Look how cool they are. Oh, 3 of them? Wait a second. Where's the rest? They haven't been ordered yet, Toadette. Ow! I didn't know. And, anyway, what are their names, by the way? I'll tell you. This one is Lemmy. He is a cute little guy. What a cute little Koopaling. Please introduce yourself, Lemmy. Okay. Hi, I'm Lemmy, and I'd like to be adopted. I am the cutest other Koopaling ever. I like to play with my circle ball and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm a very cute Koopaling, and everybody likes me. Yeah, because I'm very cute, and I'm the one of the litter, and I'm the second oldest. You are indeed very adorable. Yeah, thank you. Please go to the next one. And who is this guy with the blue hair? Whoa, Toadette. Don't insult him. Do not piss him off. Because if you piss him off, you don't want to know what happened. Ow. So introduce yourself.
Oh, hello. I am Louis Von Koopa, and I would like to get adopted today. I would like to, since I am the oldest, I would like to get adopted. And yeah, I'm Louis Von Koopa, but my name in cartoons is Cookie Von Koopa. But no, somebody can't stand me. I don't know who it is that can't stand me.
And he's breaking the fourth wall.
Yeah, so I'm Louis von Koopa.
It's a pleasure to meet you, I guess.
Yes, indeed it is.
This guy is weird. And who are you?
My name's Iggy. And I'm a crazy guy. Ow! Oops! My bad, Ludwig. What did you do that, Cookie? What did you do that, Iggy?
Sorry. Oof! Oops! Sorry, Lemmy! That's okay! What the heck is wrong with you?
Yo, Iggy, chill for a minute.
Oh my goodness! Are you guys okay? I'm fine. Please just hit me up. Sure. I'm sorry. Lemmy. That's okay.
Please, can somebody help me?
Sorry, Louie. Come on. Oh. I'm sorry, Louie and Lemmy.
That's quite alright. Just please don't do that again.
Okay.
So, Toadette, will you like to adopt us?
I'm sure, but you gotta ask Larry.
Okay.
Larry! Yeah. Oh my goodness! Can it be? Isn't my three brothers I've been wishing for? Louie, Lemmy, and Iggy?
Yep, that's right, Larry. How's it doing? Long time no see.
Hi, hey, Iggy. Long time no see.
I'm actually Ludwig.
Hi, Louie. Long time no see. Oh my goodness, I'm so glad you're here.
Yep, indeed. So, yeah. Yeah, so, what you for?
Well, these other guys came in the mail. We want to adopt you. Yeah, they've been... Ouch. Sorry, Larry. That's quite alright. But anyway, we like to get adopted.
Sure.
Okay, I go ask Yellow Bunny. Oh, Yellow Bunny, bring them dang money. Okay, for goodness sake. Keep the show on. So, will this be enough to, perform? Let's see. Oh, yes, that'll be enough. They're yours. Thank you for shopping with us. Okay. Well, come on, you guys. Yeah, come on. Nah. You do your crazy thing. Dang, it's hard to grab these guys. Come on, Ludwig. Yeah. My goodness, you guys are heavy. Oh, ow. Ow.
Ouch. Well, that was a nasty fall.
Oh, that really was a nasty fall. I can't believe it fell. Ow. Ow, I landed on my side. Okay, seriously, Iggy, you have got to chill. Remember, Lemmy, I'm crazy, duh. Oh, dear goodness. Oh. We're back, King Dad.
Oh, hey, Larry.
Look who we bought.
Oh my gosh! Can it be? My three Koopa kids? Oh. Hello, King Dad. Ludwig!
Hi, King Dad.
Remy? Hi, Dad. Iggy? Oh my goodness! My three Koopa kids! Welcome home, you guys! Well, so when did you guys come in the mail? Well, Father, I came in the mail 3 days ago. I came in the mail 6 days ago.
I came in the mail like last month.
Well, welcome home, guys. Larry been wanting you guys forever.
That is true. I'm glad you guys are home.
Yeah, we are too, Larry. We are too.
Wow, welcome home, my brethren.
So, yeah. Oh, guys, Iggy, Lemmy, and Ludwig, I want you to meet my friend, Penguin.